This is Rogue Wing, Corsair, or Helen RD over at Starship Modeler. Welcome to the workshop. Alright, we are officially in the home stretch on the Pappy's Bird build. Very happy with what we've got done so far. As you can see, we have the decals on her. Looking really sharp. I've gone in, just to add a little bit of detail before I start weathering, I've gone in using a fine line Sharpie and lined in the lines on the engine cowling here, as well as on the ailerons and the tail wing flaps, along with the rudder, just to add a little more to it. Also got the underside done. I've removed the masking from the canopy. I'm pleased to note that no glue got under there, no paint got under there. See how close we can get there. Yeah. Looks like we're going to have to play the bring it closer to the camera game. Let's go ahead and zoom that back out. Pappy is in place. I apologize for the glare from the light. Let's see what happens if I get over here. That's helping. Can't really see much of him. But at this point, major construction is done. Major painting is done. I've still got a little bit of detail painting to do, and of course, the bird looks way too pristine to be flying off an island base. So I've got to go in and do some weathering. I've had some thoughts on the base, and I'll probably save those for the final reveal. At this point, though, I am very happy to say Pappy's almost ready to go.